Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's provide a solution to this problem. Okay. Now we had to solve for x. Remember, the highest power here is 3, and therefore we are expected to get 3 solutions. Okay. Right, now let me write this one as x cubed plus 2x minus 33 equal to 0. Now, because of this x cube, and when I have x cube plus or minus y cube, this one will be difference of cubes. That will be x minus y. Then we have x squared plus xy plus y squared is equal to 0. So I have to, join something to this to be able to form this. Now from here, I know the next number to the power 3, okay, that is closer to this will be minus 27. Okay, so minus 27 minus 6 will be this. Now I'm doing this because I want to write this one as 3 to the power 3 so that I can form this. So this side will be x cubed plus 2x minus 27 minus 6 equal to 0. Now from here, my x cubed minus 27 is set here. Okay, so plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0 also follow. Now what I'm going to do here is to change the 27 to 2 to the power 3. Yes, plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so from here, this side will be x minus 3. So x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared 9. Okay, plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. From here, I can take, okay, I can say 2 out, x minus 3, okay, equal to 0. So x squared plus 3x plus 9, and I have x minus 3, okay, simple as that. Now from here I can take x minus 3 out, so x minus 3, so I've left it x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus, so plus 2 equals to 0. Alright, so this side will be x minus 3. I have x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus 2, 11 equal to 0. So with the 0 put, okay, 0 put the x minus 3 equals 0, or x squared plus 3x plus 11 equal to 0. So x equals 3, and we have this one equal to 0. So x squared 3x 11 Alright, so let's write the general equation, general quadratic equation. Okay, so a, from here, when you compare, a is 1, b is 3, C is 11. So we have minus B plus or minus B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So we have minus 3 plus or minus B squared, 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times C is 11 on 2 times 1. So minus 3 plus or minus. So we have 9 minus 44 on 2. So minus 3 plus or minus. Okay, so we have 44. So this side will be 35 minus 35. On 2. Okay, so from complex numbers, now square root of minus 1 is I, therefore minus 1 is the same as I squared. So let's write this one, the numerator, as minus 3 plus or minus square root of 35 times square root of negative 1 on 2. So x will be minus 3 plus or minus 35I on 2. Okay, so my x2, since we know our x1 already, that's the first answer. Minus 3 plus 35I on 2. Then the third one will be minus 3 minus 35I on 2. As simple as that. Alright, so let's go back to the question and verify. Now we have an one rare solution. So x equals to 3. Let's plug in 3 here. So this side will be 3 cube 27. Then you have put 3 here to be 6. 27 plus 6 will be 33. Alright, so as simple as that. Right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. Alright.